Hey, thanks for downloading the prompt guide from Summit Marketing. This is specifically made for small businesses who are looking to utilize AI to help them strategically build their content on social media. And you probably came to a seminar, and that's what brought you to this landing page and this video. So let's get started. I'm going to walk you through how to use my prompt guide in order to effectively start marketing your business using AI. Okay, so here's my prompt guide over here on the left-hand side of the screen. I'm going to keep one side on the left and I'm going to keep ChatGPT on the right-hand side of the screen so I can copy and paste between the two. Now, the guide that I put together has 8 steps, and there's a couple of things you need to do before you get started. A couple of little pieces of information we're going to need. The first one is we are going to need your business description, like in a description of what your business is and how it works and what it does. We're going to need at least 5 reviews or testimonials from past clients that kind of describe what your business does and how your business helped them. Okay, so that's going to help. And then we're going to talk about KPIs at the end of this, key performance indicators, as far as like what your goal is with the content that we're about to create. Okay. So, but we have to feed all this information in first so that we kind of give ChatGPT a little bit of context on what your business is. Okay. So I'm going to go to the first part of the prompt right down here at the bottom. It's highlighted in yellow and you can see, and everything that is right here in the brackets, we need to replace with our own information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to launch ChatGPT. If you're using GPT 4.0, it's free, by the way. Forced O stands for Omni. Definitely use it. It's wicked fast and super smart, and it's free. So there's another reason to use it. So introducing my business, and then I have brackets. I'm going to put in Summit Marketing based in location. We're going to say Vancouver, Washington, if I can spell Vancouver correctly. And below is an overview of what we do. And I'm going to I'm just going to steal my business description right here from Google Business. Probably the best way to go. I can actually put 2 different business descriptions in here. Okay. So I can go to my website too, Summit Marketing, and let's copy this. I'm just going to give it as much context as possible. Paste that in, and then I'm just going to hit the go button. And what it's gonna do is gonna analyze this and kind of give me a brief summary, tell you who your business is. It's pretty quick. And then we're gonna move on to the second part of the prompt, which is on the next page. We're gonna add some context with this next page with Google reviews. And any reviews that you have will work. But let's focus just on a couple of Google reviews. Now, the ones that you want to pick are the ones that are like super descriptive. Don't pick the ones that are just like, he was great or very helpful. You want somebody that actually like writes something like a paragraph and says, like, oh man, he helped me do XYZ. Maybe they're explaining the products that you have or the services that you did. Okay. So I'm going to copy and paste the first one in there. And let's go get the second one. We'll pick that one next. And here's the second one. Paste it in. We're going to go for the third one. Let's use this one. Now, what we're doing with these reviews is we're giving ChatGPT some context of how your customers feel about your business and what you do for them. Okay. So that's what I want. I want reviews that are as descriptive as possible and talk about who you are and what you do and how you help. So the longer, the better. So let's do this one. Copy. We're going to paste it in here. Now, if you only have 3 reviews, put in 3 reviews. If you want to put in 10, you can put in 10. The context window in ChatGPT 4.0 is pretty big, so you'd probably be able to fit 10 in there as well. Now, what it's going to do is going to analyze all that stuff, analyzing customer testimonials for Summit Marketing, and tells us the key themes and insights. So this is the information that it pulled out of all of those reviews and our business description. So what we've did is we've given ChatGPT some context of who our business is and how our clients feel about us. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to tell ChatGPT, based off of all of this information, go tell me who my ideal client persona is. Okay. And I'm gonna copy this in yellow over here. I'm gonna paste it in. And I'm gonna tell it looking for insights into their demographics and psychographics. I want an understanding of the specific challenges and any objections, so pain points and objections, as well as suggestions for a tailored marketing strategy that will address those aspects. Crazy. So, boom, now, I engineered that prompt specifically to build out these personas. And what ChatGPT a lot of times will do is it's going to actually tell us, like, here's the name, your persona that you're going after is Kevin. He's 35, he's a business owner, he owns a painting company, and he's trying to do XYZ. And this was his challenges and his pain points. And you can see, like, look at this. This is the tailored marketing strategy, educational content, personalized consultations, transparent pricing. All of this I have, by the way, client testimonials and case studies, workshops and training sessions. We're on one right now. Networking and community audience, community building. I'm doing that later today, as a matter of fact. And I have another one next week. So all of these things, by the way, I already did this with my own business and I'm following it to a T. Okay. It's going to tell me my ideal client is this age, in the Pacific Northwest, small business owner, solopreneur, entrepreneur. It's pretty accurate. Diverse industries, including real estate, retail, hospitality, professional services, and technology. I would say they nailed this to a T. Challenges, navigating the complexities of digital marketing and technology. That's why you're here, right? You're here watching this video because you are having the same challenge right here. Limited time and resources to dedicate, generating consistent leads and converting them into customers. I'm sure that's why you're here too. But you can see, like, it nailed my ideal client to an absolute T. Okay. So let's move on. We're going to go to part 4. We're going to identify content pillars. Now, the content pillars are like, what are the kinds of things that I could talk about? What are kinds of pieces of content that I could put out there that's going to resonate with my ideal client and address their challenges and their specific, pain points and whatnot. So this part of the prompt that I engineered says, analyze information, suggest content pillars that could align with our business goals, address ideal client personas, needs and interests, reflect the strengths and unique selling propositions for our offerings, and these content pillars should guide the creation of targeted content designed to engage our audience, solve their pain points, and guide them through the customer journey. Perfect, right? So here we go. Here comes the content pillars. And these are specifically just for my business, right? So content pillars for Summit Marketing, AI-driven marketing solutions. That's why you're here, by the way. You're part of my target demographic if you're watching this. Personalized marketing strategies. I do that every single day. Educational resources and workshops. I do that quite often. You probably came here because I did one. Success stories and testimonials. Got a bunch of those. Industry insights and trends. I should start doing those as well. Practical tips and tools. Definitely need to do that. And then here's my implementation strategy. Like, develop a content calendar that schedules regular posts across content, your pillars, ensuring a balance of mix of educational, promotional, and engaging content. Wow. Like ChatGPT 4.0 Omni is crazy. Okay, part 5. This is where we're going to put in our KPIs. Now, what are KPIs? KPIs are key performance indicators. So let's say you're a painting company, and you want lead generation. Your KPI can be lead generation. And I have a whole bunch of different KPIs that we have down here. We have awareness, engagement, website traffic, appointments, bookings, location visits, lead capture, email marketing signups, conversion sales, follower count. Okay. So I'm just gonna pick a couple of these. I want website traffic and appointments and bookings, and I want lead capture and email marketing signups and conversion sales. Yeah, you know what? Let's just do all of these. Boom, copy, and then I'm gonna, in the brackets right here, I'm gonna insert the KPIs that I want. Let's delete the ones that I don't want. I don't care about follower count. Honestly, neither should you. But I do want signups, and email marketing signups. I want lead capture. Don't need location visits. I do want traffic and website traffic, awareness, engagement. Yeah, all of that. Boom. So I've got all my KPIs in there. Just going to hit the enter button and it's going to give me a detailed marketing strategy for Summit Marketing based off of all those. Okay, so what you'll notice is some of these are specific to certain KPIs. Like blog posts are going to be for awareness and website traffic. Okay, videos going to be for engagement. Webinars and workshop, that's for lead capture right there. So and look at that, it even broke it down. This is incredible. Social media engagement practices, build community, increase engagement, drives traffic to the website. Look at that. Posting frequency on LinkedIn. Wow, 3 to 4 times per week on LinkedIn. Facebook, 3 to 4 times per week. Oof. Instagram. Yikes. That's a lot of posting. That's a lot of content. Okay, so wow, that's pretty detailed. Let's move on to part 6. This is where the fun begins because we can create what's called a brand voice. And I'm going to show you how to use this brand voice. I'm going to paste in this right here. There's no brackets for us to fill in anything here. It's just going to say, guide me in establishing a clear, consistent brand voice for content creation that resonates with my ideal client. Please summarize this voice into a concise paragraph that I can use as reference for creating aligned, impactful content. So what that means is give me a brand voice. When you're creating this content, make it sound something like that resonates, that's going to resonate with my ideal client, but also sounds like me. Okay. And just by putting that paragraph in there, let's see what kind of brand voice it comes up for Summit Marketing. And let's see if it aligns with me. If it doesn't line, you can say try again. Our brand voice at Summit Marketing is authoritative yet approachable, blending deep expertise with a genuine desire to help. Holy smokes, it nailed it. Wow. Speak with confidence. We speak with confidence, clarity, and a touch of warmth. Yep. Making complex marketing and technology concepts accessible and actionable for small business owners and entrepreneurs. Boom. I can't believe this. Our tone is supportive and encouraging and aiming to empower our audience with practical insights and innovative solutions. Wow. We prioritize trust, reliability, and forward thinking. Okay. I would say, yeah, that worked out pretty well. Okay. So here's what we do with this brand voice. You can program it into ChatGPT, or if you're using the GPT, if you're using the paid version, you can say commit that to memory. Okay. That's a new feature in ChatGPT. But over here in ChatGPT, if we click on my profile, we go to settings and we go to personalization, custom instructions, you'll see down here at the bottom, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? Now, when I turn this on, I can say, paste that in. And that's how everything that's written in ChatGPT is going to use that brand voice from now on. So I'm just going to hit, I already have it in there. So yes, I want to exit. But that's how you can program ChatGPT to talk like you all the time. Okay. So we have a really cool, consistent brand voice. And every piece of content that we create from this point forward is going to sound relatively the same with the same tone and style and voice. Right. Okay. Uh, Almost done. We got one more step, and this is the content plan. Now, this one you can put in, I don't know if you're going to follow it to a T, but it's going to give you some ideas of things that you can do. I put in brackets here for a month. Okay. So I can say June 2024. And I want, based on my content pillars, create a calendar for June 2024 designed to resonate with my ideal client persona. It should aim to foster engagement, address inquiries, alleviate challenges, counter any hesitations they may have. Okay. So this is basic content calendar. And it's going to look at that, break it out week to week, June 1 to 7, blog post, social media, email campaign. Second week, we're doing a webinar, we're doing another blog post, social media post, another blog post, social media post, email campaign. Look at that, 2 email campaigns a week, looks like a couple of blog posts a month. Wow, that's crazy. And then look at that, it gives me some key points, content, consistent promotion, use multiple channels, blog, social media, email to promote key events like webinars. Yeah, I do. Regular interactive content, polls, Q&A sessions to engage the audience and other feedback. So we're asking questions. And this content calendar for June 24 aims to resonate with Summit Marketing's ideal client persona by addressing their challenges. That's crazy. Okay. So that's it for the entire content calendar. Now you don't have to follow that to a T, but I think it's going to give you some basic ideas of where to start, how to go. And if you want to take it to a deeper level, you schedule a discovery call with me. Go to summitmarketing.ai, schedule a discovery call, and we'll jump on a call and we'll see if my services align with you and what you want to do and what you want to accomplish, and help you take it to the next level. That's my goal right here, is to just help you take all of your content to the next level, implement AI in fun and creative ways that's going to make it super, super interesting and engaging for your ideal client. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Talk soon.